obviously. So, obviously, since I've been a host on this show, me and Crusher, we've had our differences, and I stand by that I disagree with Crusher on a lot of things. Another person I've had a lot of disagreements here live has been Ben Nelson. But when I say that there's no one in that locker room in NIPW or anyone we've had on this show that deserves an opportunity like this for that championship more than Ben Nelson, I mean it. Ben Nelson, I say this, is one of the biggest prospects I've ever seen. He puts me to shame when it comes on potential. Ben has so much potential. He's been put in big matches before. He knows how to go in high pressure situations.